So amathambo ayakhuluma. Mina njengami nogogo Ndlovu. Ugogo Ndlovu ngimphosa kayi1 ngithi ngempela la kunabantwana. Ugogo Ndlovu she will answer fast food. No. Ubona isigubhu sami sithi akunamuntu la. Iyasikhuluma nje sithi. You know ukuthi no man.
We're still here, no Prof. We're still here in Kangala on the 26th of December when everybody is on holiday. Tina, we are working. All right, Prof, I've got a very serious case, Konamanje, as we speak. I will not name any detail or even give people the opportunity to put one and one together, but in a situation, Yomuntu who desperately needs help now. There's a child, or amkhulisayo, but he knows ukuthi akusuyena umntwana wakhe. He knows yena for sure ukuthi akusuyena umntwana wakhe. But because of a court order, he's supposed to feed this child and raise this child. His hands are tied. But he wants to know first, before he goes to the next step. The first step is to find out if is there any way he can satisfy himself here. It's 100% not him. And the second thing is to know like what can be the next step. But let's start here. Normally, I accuse a lab, but they check by Abu you are the father, or you are not the father. In this case, is there a spiritual paternity test to determine what and nakhona what is the process la?
Rakhe ngikhumbula ngiyabonga ngiyabingelela bafowethu sesela enyahla ngiyabacela. Ngiyawacela vele ngeDecember kuyawuhlisa leni. Rakhe ngikhumbula ngelinye ilanga mina ukuze ngizothola amakhambi can tell ukuthi upreg umuntu wesifazane amathambo without going to uthatha imikhambo nani ungena kwakho mangwaphosa they can tell me ukuthi ukrebini ungakhamba na ukhulela ngikhulela umntwana KB. So butwami ukukhuluma nje ngijabulile ngidla nesweet true ikhona itest yesintu asimthashi umuntu vele ufikela ukukhuluma ukuthi ngizohlola okay nabantwana KB ngempela uyavuka wena uyaphila nabantwana bakho katla uzophuma eyi1 labantwana esikhuluma ngabo akusibakho ngibona uyocela le nakunabantwana la sesiyabheka hey wena bantwana bakho la mana ngokuthi maybe sisibheka isimo singasho ukuthi akusibakho sithi but into ofuna uyenze ngake uzumama kahle.
Yes.
Ngoba ekuqaleni kwakho konke kumele sakhe singabhidlisi. Akusimnandi ukuthi bantu umshado uphuke bathi uprofessor siyemkhulu
responsible.
So we can do that. Kamnandi futhi zisho ukuthi umntwana akusuka la ekhaya. And then kwenzeke impamba la. Asidingi thina lento le. That's why mosiyona brakebe thina we were cast ngesikhathi apartheid. Because of amabhunu bebazibuza ukuthi how can this person abone ngaphakathi komuntu angafakanga iscan or angayenzanga something ethi nethi ngokuthatha yabona izoludlama utwana o izolento idlile beyinezidliso phakathi ngoba uyidle ngabantu. That's why bazama ngawo wonke amandla ukuthi they destroy us, kungabi nento tradition or kungabi nento kuthiwa kunenyanga esintu. You understand? So amathambo ayakhuluma. Mina njengami nogogo Ndlovu, ugogo Ndlovu ngimphosa kayi1 ngithi ngempela la kunabantwana. Ugogo Ndlovu she will answer fast food. No, ubona isigubhu sami sithi akunamuntu la. Yasikhuluma nje. You know ukuthi noma KP moba yaphesa ijazi and then we siyalo kanjani. Okunye ukuthi mase siqale siyithinta umntwana uyahlukumezeka. Ukuhlukumezeka ukuthi akasakhona ukulala lapha ekhaya kuloya muzi loyo. Asithi maybe bahlukene ma partner lawo. Uhlala kibo lo ntombazana nohlala kimi. But uzomshuba umntwana ahlukumezeke, mahlukumezeka uzofuneka isibongo sakabo lo mntwana. Kuthiwe KP meluphahlele umntwana nomenze isiko lakini. Uma ulenza le siko lakini liyomphikisa. Because akusuwakho umntwana. Bese bathi endod phela uphahlile la. But still umntwana repeat the same thing. Baye umntwana bathi hayi mthatha nomntwana umbuyisele kimi. Mafika la ekhaya simchake ngoba kusuka la ekhaya still repeating the same thing. Until maybe niphume nina balayika ukuthi kanti yini lento ehlupha umntwana sifuke ethi oh.
So manje this guy in this case uyahlola Ziyavela, it's not his child. Now he wants to stop paying lento. What can you do to help him aphume kule nyaka nyaka?
Ziningi indlela prakb. Ezi sengizama ukubreak out ukuthi sesithonile ukuthi umntwana akusokwakho. Uyakwazi ukuphumeza umntwana ukuthi aye kibo. Umhlukumeze.
So wena uzohlukumeza umntwana walomfazi ukuthi basuke kuwe baye kubaba. So you send some, what do you do?
I'm not sending something. Khuluma nezitala zakho mina zakho KP.
Oh, okay.
Kuthi ngempela na imali yala ekhaya ihamba iyondla. Mntwana kaSibiya uhleli phansi uyarelaxile udla ama sweet njengami. Akawondla. Mina nje letenta gabanga nje January to December nginamali 100k. Iyahamba 100k la ekhaya ngithulile la. Ngifuna indlela yokwazi ukuthi ngoba niyazi ukuthi lo mntwana kaMnisi angihlali naye. Ngifuna indlela yokuthi ngikwazi kuba nebufakazi engizobukhomba inkantolo ukuthi ngempela lo mntwana akusuwo wami ngokuthi umntwana lo bamthethe bamikise kaSibisi. And then definitely so you'll know. Bazoqala ngokuthi umntwana bamhlupheke lapha bathi umntwana akayikhaya. There's no parent ongajabula umntwana akhe mbona ngalala angaphumula angenzini. PraKB mina ngutshele last kwenye channel kwenye video noma kwenye episode ngathi PraKB owami umntwana ngeke umkhiphe ekhaya lapho. Ngizomphahlela umntwana azabuye umntwana abuye la ekhaya ngifike ngithela isnefu umntwana la ngingamphanga umuthi. Ngomfa bathi umntwana uhlushwa idlozi akanikwa umuthi. Umntwana lo kuvele aphahlele ukuthela igwayi ukuthi ayisofikile bogogo kumele alale. But angalala akusuka la ekhaya. Yilana uzokwazi ukubona ukuthi okay bathele ngwana okemphasithe kiphasithe mara ngwana robot. Aswaka ngwana. Me bulala nethi ngwana shiwafisa wa collapse washo. Ani mama ke na ngeke ajabula ukuthi umntwana wakhe ashona. Sela nethi okuzobuya ukuthi
ubulala nethi le.
And then maphuma neqiniso uwinile court. Umntwana lo akusuwami angicela imali yami yonke bengilongondla lo mntwana lo because of I have said it, this child is not mine. Nangibaba khona uyavuma nendo uyamazi nalo mntwana and mangifika kabo baba umntwana vele nawe uyambona unethi indlebe letimbi njengo KP masaka KP lawo. KP ngondlela umntwana mina ngicela imali yami.
Okay. All right. No, so it is possible.
It is practically 100%.
My brother, if you're watching Prof Honor, take those numbers. He'll explain further and better than me now. I can explain.
Thank you so much, guys.